It's Green Bay Wacky. I care about kids and education. Parents, we have let our kids down. We haven't taught them the life skills they need to know. They need to know these life skills. Kids, I understand you're in a zombie-ified, stupefied state, and I get it. It's because we haven't taught you. Take a look at this. Now, here's one, kids. I know you haven't been taught this. This is a toilet paper roll. Notice it has a hole in the inside. Now, we're going to set this off to the side. We're not going to use that yet. Notice when you run out of toilet paper, there's a spring-loaded mechanism here. You see that? It's a spring-loaded mechanism. That's called an empty roll. You would want to replace that with the roll. Now, it's very simple. You simply insert this through. Notice it's spring-loaded, and it goes right back on there. I know, you haven't been taught this, but now you know. Now, this is another one I know no one has taught you. When you put the silver one, it all gets dumped in here. Now, notice everything has a specific shape, okay? And they're easy to tell the difference if you look. They're kind of identifiable. So simply put the fork with the fork, the spoon with the spoon, the knife with the knife, the spatula off to the side, and you'll notice eventually, by matching the shapes, you'll end up with an organized drawer. This one I'm going to go slow on because it might be hard to grasp. That's a shoe rack. It actually holds shoes. It is strong enough. These are shoes on the floor. It's very similar to organizing the silverware. It's okay. I know you've never been shown. Now, this is an important one. It's a life skill that I know you haven't been taught. The seat is obviously up, which does not work for a lot of people. And you might not want to touch it. You haven't been taught this. Simply use your foot and put it down. I know. You can thank me later. Now, this one, we end up with this mess because we want to cook some stuff. Now, I know you haven't been taught this. This is paper, okay? This actually can be used. Now, notice it's easy to identify. These plates are hard and fill up the, sink with dishes. The paper one, you can always tell. It's very flimsy. It's made of paper. I know you haven't been taught this. No one's told you. Yes. Now, again, very similar to the paper plate idea. Instead of wiping your mouth off and ending up with a huge pile of towels, this is a napkin. Now, they're very easy to identify. They're very thin and wafery, kind of like paper. You can actually wipe your face and your mouth with a napkin. They even work for hands, as opposed to laundry that we're going to have to do. Now, I know no one has probably explained to you what these are. You probably thought they were fences for gardening. They're actually laundry baskets. So, now watch the technique here. You can do it one-handed or two. And you notice how easily the laundry actually goes in there. I understand you've never been shown. Well, I hope you enjoyed the life lessons for teenagers and kids of all ages. Green Bay Wacky cares about education. Again, I've raised 5 children. Look forward to upcoming episodes where we will actually cover how to fill a sink with water, how to actually get rid of milk containers that are empty as opposed to putting them back in the refrigerator, and how not to leave ice cream out so that it melts.